Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you how to fix those really annoying squeaky windshield wipers whenever it rains. So it's been raining a lot lately, and I have on this Scion XD some pretty recent windshield wipers. They're not in too bad of a shape, but they do make a really squeaky noise whenever it rains, kind of like this. Now the first thing I would suggest is if you don't have good windshield wipers, you should replace them, but these are pretty decent shape. So there's a really simple and easy fix you can do to change that. All you need is some polish like this and a cloth like this. Next thing you want to do is you want to just get your cloth and your polish. You want to put it on your cloth, and then you just want to take it, start working it in on the windshield. Just go all the way around. And we're going to give it a little bit more here too. You just want to really work that in. I'm going to take the dry side, just really bob it down. And so by putting that polish in there, what it does is it literally acts like a silicone or slippery surface where when you run the windshield wipers, it no longer creates that sound. So normally, if you were to have a car without any rain on it and you were to run your windshield wipers, it would make a horrible noise. But watch this. See how much less that is? I think it's also worth mentioning too that you do want to lubricate and give a little bit of that polish on the windshield wiper, give a little less friction between the blade and the shield. But anyway, that's how to minimize that sound for any windshield wiper. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.